All right. So just going to do a quick review. 8:30, I think. Oh, whatever. All right. So market rallied, does whatever it does, and here I think around 8:30. That's where I want to start. So around 8:30, and it was totally one-sided today. So market rallied. You see the advance, volume coming in. And all it did was just go stay in this range over here. But the key here is this. After pulling back, it roared up. So that's a lot of volume, and that's a good amount of price spread. So it's very clear that demand is in control. From that point on, it rallied up a little, pulled back, and just held range. I really don't see anything spectacular here other than a range and then finally a breakout. Takes this area out. This is the breakout region. This is actually, thing is, it went above, right? And this is what you're going to see all the time. I mean, this is just, I don't want to call it predictable behavior, but it's like normal behavior, So right here, okay, so it goes up, attempts, they try to sell it, and what happens? This is called fail to follow through. So you can just call it failure. Just fails to follow through. When it fails to follow through, it's one of the most common things that happen. You either have a resistance or support. You have breakout, failure to follow through, some type of absorption, or springing up thrust. That's basically what happens. So here it fails to follow through, and then what happens? It goes up, taps that area, they get out, and continues to go. And it keeps on doing that until it climaxed here. Now this is an important point. Why is this an important point? Is that a lot of times you're going to see a climax. A lot of times you see a climax followed by heavy selling. So it's like sell on the way up, sell on the way down, right? But does that change trend definitively? Short answer is no. It doesn't change trend definitively. However, most turning points have that type of behavior. When Wyckoff explained climax and automatic rally, he was really talking about what I'm showing you right here. This is exactly that. Climax, automatic rally. That's what happens. That climax and automatic rally typically have big price volume signatures. This is the climax, automatic rally. But note that even if that happens, it doesn't mean the trend has to change. Why? Because it can go into reaccumulation, and it can just go into a period where it kind of pauses for a while until the next leg up. And that's what happens here. It just kind of grinds and pauses here. Maybe reaccumulation, I don't know. And then it blasts off. So that's all for today. But that's the idea. The idea is don't just short the climax or the change of behavior. You have to see trend being created. And also, if you have that climax and change of behavior, etc., it could just be a pause. It could be a reaccumulation to go higher. It doesn't mean that it's going to change trend and go from uptrend to downtrend.